Hello, this is William, and this is Wusik Station AD installer instructions. So first to do is download all the files. So I have all my files here. The extra sounds 2 and 3 I didn't download because they're for instructions on how to install it is the same instruction. And the first thing you're going to check is the install readme first file because in here it shows all the information that you need to do. So the first thing I'm going to install the full version. So in this file here, Wusik Station AD full version 1, because version 2 is still in beta. So there's no installer for the full version. You have to install version 1 and then apply the beta 2 files. So I'm going to run it. The file, all my files are not signed, so you have to click on more options and run away, and then allow it to run as an administration. Then it's going to ask where the files for the installer is going to be placed. This is also the location of the standalone version, and you can click next and select if you want VST3, VST2, and the standalone version, the app version. And here you're going to select the plugin folders for VST2, VST3, and then the data folder. The data folder is very important because all the installers have to use the same data folder. Don't use the same data folder as other Wusik products. They are not shared with Wusik Station AD. Wusik Station AD uses its own data structure. So use a new folder just for Wusik Station AD, and be sure to use the same folder for the other installers, like the beta installer, the extra sounds, and stuff like that. And then if I click on Next, it's going to install. I'm just going to cancel it first. Then after it has installed, I'm going to proceed with the beta installer. Again, new computer is going to ask for administrator rights. Then select VST3, VST2, and the app version, and so on, in the same data folder. Then we install the extra sounds using the same data folder. And the last thing we're going to do is to install the 16 gig collection, because if you already had installed for, let's say, Wusik Station version 9, X, 8008, you already had these files installed, you don't have to install again. And be sure to install on a separate folder. Don't install to the Wusik Station AD data folder. Install to a public folder. Then when you run the Wusik Station AD for the first time, it's going to ask where the 16 gig collection is installed. So if I run here my Wusik Station AD, it already has this configured, but it's going to show this box. Please locate the 16 gig sound collection folder. So if I go to my drive D, Wusik Engine sound sets, I can see here AOS, acoustic collection, analog night. I just select this folder and it's going to say set OK. So that's all you need to do. And Wusik Station AD is going to start working correctly. So that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.